Okay guys, a very warm welcome to SCP Tutoring Academy, where I'm going to take you through on how the platform works. So you've got three portals on your home page: Learner's Portal, Parents Portal, and Tutors Portal. So as a learner, you will always click on Learner's Portal. So I'm just going to make an assumption that you are in high school. So in case if you are in primary, you will just click on primary because that button is for grade 4 to 7 learners, high school, 8 to 12, matric rewrite, and TVET college. I think those are self-explanatory. So assuming that you are in high school, maybe let's say you are doing mathematics, you might be doing any of those other subjects. It's fine. You can choose according to what you'll be studying on that particular day. But let's say today you are going to study mathematics. If you choose any other topic, it's fine. You will still follow the same process that I'm going to explain under mathematics. So let's say you are in grade 10, you will definitely click on grade 10, and you've got a list of topics to choose from. But because today is going to be your first day, you will click on free trial lesson, just so that you will get to see how it works. So you've got two steps: step number 1 and step number 2. So step number 1 is where you tick and you'll be able to watch a short recording, and thereafter go to step number 2, where you will write a short test related to that short recording, and then in the end you submit your work. In the process of submitting your work, you will have to upload a photo of your answer sheet, and also in case if you struggled with something in the recording or in the test, you'll be able to book for a Zoom session where sometime during the week you'll be able to attend Zoom live, where the tutor will re-explain or teach you what you could have struggled with. So the idea is for you to get started, and in case if you struggle with something, it will be clear for us as you submit in terms of what exactly the problem is, and it makes it easier to know how to assist you. So click on step number 1, you will find recordings. You will always start with lesson number 1. You click on the play button to watch that short recording. Then once you are done, you scroll down to click on next. You do not watch the other lessons because you'll only watch those after you've submitted the test for lesson 1, which is this one for algebra. So that means you will have to write on paper that test, and once you are done, you just scroll down and ignore the other tests for other lessons. Then you will find the memo. So this is the final answers only. So with a pencil, a ball pen, you just mark your answer sheet. And then once you are done, you scroll down to click on next, so that you will find the link to submit. So you just click on the link. Because you've marked your answer sheet, you will then be able to indicate your surname, your name, the subject that you're submitting, and all the other information regarding which questions you got right and which questions you got wrong. And most importantly, you will also have a button to click in order to upload your answer sheet. And in the end, you will be asked whether you want to book for a Zoom session where you want to consult about something that you might have struggled with or something that confused you. And then you will then be invited to a Zoom session and get the necessary assistance. So this is where your results are published on our website. After you submit, to view your results, you will just click on view your test results, and that will be the end of a complete session, where now you can then start over with the next lesson. So generally, that's how it works. I'm not really sure why. Okay, it looks like it was taking some time to load. Possibly the network a bit slow on my side, but it's fine. I'll just give it some time to load. But generally, that's how it works, honorable member. So let's see who has submitted today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like we've got 5 honorable members who submitted today. So all this information that is appearing here, it is the one that you use as you submit your work. Yes, okay, I think I will just leave it here and assume that everything made sense and you are ready to get started. You can do as much as you can, submit as many times as you can, so that you will get enough assistance within a short space of time. Okay, I'll leave it here and say until we meet again.